Welcome back to Timberland Farms. My name is Anthony, and with me today I have my dog Timber. We are going to make a pig water out of this 55-gallon barrel. So the supplies I have these rubber O-rings. These are called uniseals. I got these for a 3/4 inch PVC pipe, and they require this 1.25 inch drill bit. This is meant to be a replacement for a paddle bit. A paddle bit would also work. These things are phenomenal. I highly recommend them. I'm not sponsored, but they are awesome. So I went ahead and started off on the PVC components. It's just a 3/4 inch PVC pipe that's going to go inside. There's the pig nipple drinker. So they just chew on this and opens up that O-ring that's inside. Once you order these, take these apart. It's very simple how these things actually operate. But this unseals the O-ring that's inside, lets water flow. There is a 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch adapter here and a coupling to make this all work. And they're PVC glued together, ready to go. So since I have 2 pigs, I'm going to put 2 holes in this barrel. I'm going to offset them. I want to make enough room so when I do have more pigs later on in the future, I can just add more of these. I did buy a 10-pack of these nipple drinkers. I can always go down to the hardware store and buy more PVC pipe and fittings. So I've already rinsed out this barrel, got it cleaned out. It's covered in snow from the weather. That's why this video today is inside, because it's too cold outside to be doing anything else. But we can get right to it. I'm not going to put the drinkers all the way to the bottom because I don't want the pigs to knock this over. I'm going to make sure there's about 10 gallons left in there, 5 to 10 gallons, so there's enough weight in there before it tops over. Also, I want to show you guys my new auger. This is my auger for my feeding system. Some of you may know that I've been getting my pig feed stored in an IBC tote. I take the IBC tote, set it in the bed of my truck, go to a local feed mill, and have it loaded up right there off of the auger, off the grain truck pretty much. So then this gives me the opportunity where I could put this inside of that 2-inch porthole on the bottom where you normally drain your liquid out of it. And it augers, it's nice and long, so it gets halfway, 3/4 of the way through the bottom of that IBC tote, and augers your grain out into your bucket that you put below it. And it's actually really nice. Before this, I had a dog screw anchor. I'm sure some of you have seen that before. That worked until this thing showed up. This thing is 10 times better. It is a huge, immaculate difference. Fill a 5-gallon bucket up in a matter of seconds. And for how often I feed 2 pigs, fill a 5-gallon bucket up once a day. It's all I need. But we can take this off the drill for now. We're going to need it for this pig feeder, pig waterer. What are you doing, buddy? So there's markings on the bottom of this barrel here. So 5-gallon mark's right here, 10-gallon mark is right here, 15-gallon mark is right here. So I'm going to put this, I guess, in between 10 and 15 gallons. It should give me about 12 to 13 gallons or so. It's not rocket science, so we're just going to go for it. Try keeping these shavings away from the hole. Take my knife and go around the edge, clean that up a little bit. Now we could take our uniseal and put that in there. It's pretty snug fit. It will tighten up a lot more once you get that PVC pipe in there. So we take our PVC pipe, push that on in there. Getting it started is a little difficult, but once you get it going, it goes pretty good. And that gives some flexibility and stuff when the pigs are pushing on it and yanking on it and everything else. And if the nipple drinker's bad, you can take the whole thing out. If they break it off, you can take the whole thing out, replace it. Everything here is serviceable. You don't have to cut a hole in the top like some other designs. So it could be a completely sealed unit if you want it to be. You can always plug this up, put a cap on here, and reuse the barrel for something else. But we're going to go ahead and put another one in. Probably right about here, to be honest. Like a hot knife through butter. There we go, and that's it. If you have more pigs, you can put more. I don't think you need 1 drinker per pig. You could probably get away with 1 drinker per 2 or 3 pigs, depending on the size of your flock or herd. I don't actually know what they are. To be honest, are they herd animals? All right, now that we're all finished with this, hopefully this will keep down on the mud mess inside the pig pen. I just put in some fresh shavings for them, but they do a wonder of making a water mess everywhere and dumping their feed buckets, honestly. I'm going to have to do something else about their feed. That'll be another video. But I do believe I'll take another 55-gallon barrel with a circular saw, cut it down both sides, and then make a wood stand for it. Something so the pigs can't knock it over. Because these pigs are destructive. Aren't you guys? I put that inside with the pigs, and I'm now filling it up currently. I got the hose running there. Pigs are checking it out, wondering what's going on with that thing. So this upcoming Saturday, February 24th, I'm going to try making it up to the New York State Farm Progress Show in Syracuse. I'm not going to have a booth or anything, and I don't have a huge following, but if you want to come meet me and see me around, just come up and say hi. I'd love to meet you guys and get some good feedback from you guys. But we're going to let this fill up and see how these piggies do. I'll let you guys watch the pigs and see how they like this. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Oh, also, as a reminder or update, I probably won't be uploading a YouTube video next Sunday because I'll be at the farm show on Saturday. I usually do my filmings the day before I post them, so I don't have any content to go up. Maybe I'll have something done during the week, but it's been really cold the last couple weeks. It's currently 16 degrees outside right now, so I'm trying to hunker down inside the best I can. So as of right now, there probably will not be a video next Sunday, February 25th. I will be back in the groove again the following weekend. But if I don't make it to the farm show, I'll probably be making a video on something else. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on how to build or assemble a pig water like this, just leave a comment down below. I'll respond and try giving you some tips, pointers, like where you can get them. I'll leave links in the description below where you can get the supplies and make it easy for you. I'll include the drill bit, the uniseal, the pig waters, pig nipple drinkers, and the PVC pipe. If you don't want to go out to the hardware store and get your own PVC pipe, I'll include links in the description for those items. Looks like they're starting to figure it out. Not the hose. No, not the hose. Hi, Piggy. You here to say hi? Hi, Piggies. Don't be chewing me. Thanks for watching. Please like us and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.